My dearest friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods here in the midst of Berkeley, a center of inventiveness, creativity, and innovation. The university is filled with Nobel Prize winners, and there's even a parking space, even a parking space there on the campus with a sign that says, "For Nobel laureates only." So a very, very special place indeed. And today, we're going to be exemplifying as best we can on a very small scale the biblical injunction to choose life in the food, to choose life so that you will live. Choose life that you will live, and we've got to choose life in friendships, in relationships, in working with brothers and sisters in every aspect of our lives. Be it victory gardens, be it edible schoolyards, being reforestation, we have got to choose life. And one very, very humble way to begin with that great injunction is to choose life in the foods that we eat. And one of the most powerful ways that you can do that is with a green drink. And we've made quite a few videos showing just how to go about making a green drink. And today we are going to supercharge our green drink. So here we will begin. And normally with a green drink, basically a green drink is putting spring water in a blender and then adding various vegetables such as kale, parsley, lettuce, Swiss chard, cilantro, and so forth, giving it a whirl, and you have a green drink. But we're going to do better than that. We're going to supercharge it. So instead of using spring water that has been sitting on a store shelf for who knows how very, very long indeed, we're going to be making our green drink. We're going to supercharge our green drink by substituting, first of all, instead of the spring water, let's substitute and let's begin with carrot juice, freshly made carrot juice that we've made ourselves. Okay, so here we have our carrot juice base, and now we're going to add some beautiful California tomatoes. These are at their height of perfection. It is a privilege to use these tomatoes. They are grown by Full Belly Farm, magnificent family farmers here in California, one of the finest of organic farms. So let's add some organic tomatoes. And let's add Another. Okay. And finally, we're going to add some beautiful California red flame grapes. And these also exemplify aliveness and vivacity. So here we have our base, carrot juice, tomatoes, and grapes. And now we're going to add our veggies. We'll start with dinosaur kale, but of course, kale is one of the most nutrient vegetables filled with goodness and aliveness. This is California grown locally right here. Dinosaur kale. So let's add a few leaves of kale and give that a blend. And how about a romaine lettuce? Also locally grown. So, a couple leaves of romaine. And now, how about some baby broccoli buds, just exemplifying life force and vivacity. So a bit of baby broccoli, if you will. Give that a whirl. Now, when I said supercharge, I meant it. Here's a tray of wheatgrass that we've grown. So let's add to the green drink some wheatgrass. Look, we're eating grass. You bet we are. So a bunch of wheatgrass, and let's blend that right up. So here we have it, a drink filled with organic energy, with life force, with vivacity, with pulsation, with streaming aliveness. And I want to drink to you, brothers and sisters, to your resilience, to your will to regenerate, recreate, and start anew. We so very, very much need that. Just read aloud the headlines in any newspaper. We have got to recreate ourselves and begin again. So I drink to you, brothers and sisters, with this drink of aliveness. Let us go forward. Let us go forward with community. Let us go forward with working together in friendship and joy. Let us go forward with victory gardens, community gardens, and edible schoolyards. My privilege to share with you. Please hit the like button down below. You may even wish to subscribe. Your comments and suggestions are treasured by us. My privilege to share. Thank you.